Guys, in this video I gonna ask some students about this gadget. This is mobile cooler. I'm gonna ask its build quality, and also I ask them, is this worthy or not? I mean, in their perspective. Don't skip the video. And you're watching MrTechie YouTube channel. Got a gadget. It is Pinbot company mobile cooler. What you feel about this one?
It is very nice and it is looking interesting. I think it will cool the mobile fast.
Let's do some gaming experience with using this one.
Okay. Let's try.
What game are you playing now?
I'm playing PUBG.
What device it is?
It is OnePlus 70.
Nice. Bro, this one is coming with two variants. One is wide, another one is wireless. Wireless means battery powered. This one is wide one. So you should connect with power bank.
Okay.
Power bank is with me.
The lighting is amazing.
What do you feel about that RGB lighting?
It is very nice and it is very silent also. And we cannot hear some noise also.
And just now I'm started playing the game, so after 5 minutes I will see how it will exactly work.
It is very cool and there is no heating issue also. And it absorbed all the heat.
Is this worthy or not?
It is very worth to buy it.
As I'm playing long time PUBG or Free Fire, my phone automatically drains very fast battery or it become very heat, so I cannot use more. By using this gadget, it instantly within cooling the phone, and you can use some more time.
Comfortable by holding your fingers like this?
Yeah, I am comfortable to use this device like this.
And its gadget is very useful for me. Don't suggest it.
So many phones are coming with heating issue nowadays.
I bought new phone. I will not encourage
You just buy a new phone for heating issue.
for eating issue.
If you buy an iPhone, you will be seeing heating issue.
I will try my level best to cool down or something.
చెప్పండి బ్రో ఏదైనా
ఏదైనా పర్లేదా? తెలుగు కొంతమందికి, ఇంగ్లీష్ కొంతమందికి అడుగుతాను. ఓకేనా?
తెలుగు అడుగు అందరికి తెలుగు
This is the gadget. You should tell me what's the use of it. Do you guess anything?
By observing this, it's used in some CPU devices, embedded systems.
I think it's a speaker
Speaker.
or something related to pen drive.
No.
I have no guess.
Bro, this is a mobile cooler. Our devices makes a lot of heating issue. Na? Okay.
Laptops, they will you have a built-in module like means it will observe and it will limit automatically, but in mobile devices there is no this type of technology, so you will buy for extra 2000 or 3000, I think. I don't know exact cost.
So you're promoting it?
No,
not the type of
exactly.
promotion.
I'm just want to reveal it.
Yeah, okay.
If I tell my honest review, people like, oh, he's just saying that, he's just promoting it. Okay, it will be like that. So I'm just asking some random students like you. It will be
Promoting the awareness of this device.
Not only awareness. I just want to be honest with that.
Feel so cold.
Okay. Backside.
Yeah.
Keep this one near to processor, then it can give its best.
I don't know where the processor is.
It will be here.
How do you know, bro?
It has a nice build quality and a nice material.
Temperature of this device. Okay. You can feel it, right?
It's normal.
Its price. Do you?
I think
Can you guess it?
2500, like 2k to 3k.
Normal is
It's normal temperature.
Okay. Connect this one, bro. Now. Do you play any games in your mobile?
Here I come.
No, bro. I don't like any games.
You can play any game if you have.
Bro, I don't have any games.
Oh, no games.
Yes.
No storage.
Storage.
Only chatting with their girlfriends.
Instagram.
Their girlfriends.
Girlfriends?
Yeah.
How? Hold on, bro.
Bro, I will swipe it, bro. No problem.
Playboy of Gmail.
Not a
Three
playboy.
girlfriends.
How?
We have three
Lover boy.
girlfriends.
Bro, it's too much releasing heat, bro.
Basically, it have a chip in the inside.
Yeah. Okay.
What it does means one side it emits heat and another side it emits cool.
Yeah,
Let's see the device temperature now.
What is very cool. Yeah, it's cool, bro.
Be good.
What do you say, bro? Is this worthy to buying this one for around 1650?
For me, it's not worthy, bro.
Why, bro?
Bro, it's useless, bro. Nowadays, these processors will inbuilt But in mobile devices, there is no this type of technology.
Yeah, I think so. It's worth. Its build quality is so good. Everyone should look after this.
This one.
Yeah, means.
I will give 500 for this.
Yeah.
Okay, give. Okay, give.
I will play PUBG.
Buy one get one. I think this one.
Buy
If
one.
you buy mobile means it will get free. I think.
In your opinion.
Yeah,
That's the offer.
That's right.
Yeah. So, some people will see daily 7 to 8 hours non-stop hitting. So in that time it is very useful. That's
Worthy, but it is for majorly for employees. It's useful for working late nights. This is useful for the school students. Why? Because they are using that online games like PUBG, Free Fire.
Guys, you have seen the students' opinion on this mobile cooler, and now let me say my personal opinion on this one. Not all the people can afford this price. Guys, it totally depends on you. Main importantly, buy this one when you are needed. Okay, uselessly don't buy this one. If you use plenty of your phone, then use this one. And whenever you get its price between 1000 to 1500, then you can buy this one. Guys, how can I tell that its price can be reduced? How can I? Guys, it's all because of I checked his price history. Price history is a website where you can find all the products price history. Guys, I have captured 2 more students, but their audio was not received by my mic because at that time my phone was heated. It has a bug heating issue, so that's why I bought it for 1800 without waiting for its price drop. At that time my phone doesn't capture their voice, so that's the main reason I'm not keeping their video in this one. So sorry guys, I don't know what happened to my phone at that time, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.